Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to check the brake fluid in this 2008 Chevy Silverado with a 4.3 liter V6 engine. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Now you're going to make sure your hood's up, and over here on the driver's side the brake fluid reservoir is right here. You can see there's a min line and a max line right there. If you can't see the fluid, you can shake it a little bit and try to see where it is. It looks like it's a little on the higher side, which is okay. Pop the cap off, twist it to the left. You are going to want to make sure that before you take this cap off, you wipe this area because you don't want any of the dust getting in there. Take the cap off. If you have to top it off, use the appropriate fluid. This vehicle says right on the top to use .3 fluid. You can also use this tester right here. We actually sell these at 1A Auto. This actually tests for water in the brake fluid. So what we're going to do is we'll take this, stick this in the brake fluid, and it'll say that it's okay. There's a little bit of water in there, but not much. If it was bad, it'd be in the red. So looks okay though. So you can get this tool at 1aauto.com. Wipe it off, put the cap back on, and we'll put this brake fluid cap back on, lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.